as you guys know, we test out a lot of products, either to use at home or in our RV, and we have really been dying to get a hold of one of these air fryers. This is the Vortex air fryer. I think the biggest thing is we need to test it out. Make sure you watch till the end so you get a full assessment of what this air fryer is like.
So look, we got a product overview. What's included? It includes a cooking tray and a getting started guide.
Take it out, take it out.
Take it out.
Got our cute little drawer here. Gotta get rid of all that junk. Okay.
Goes on there. And this is where Nikki's magic happens. Alright, let's put our bacon in. We're going to air fry. For time, we're going to do 8 minutes, temperature 400 degrees. Let's click start.
Okay. We'll be back in 8 minutes. Okay, so you get a message. Looks like halfway through it's saying turn food.
Now, I have...
Whoa.
Whoa, we don't need to turn the food.
Whoa, okay.
The food is roasted. Take 2. This time we're gonna go 4 minutes, because we have a little less bacon.
So it actually does need to heat up first, and then it tells you to add the food once it's heated up. Okay, pop it open. So look.
Looks amazing.
I think that looks great, and that is the perfect amount of time. 4 minutes. So that's 4 minutes, 8 minutes. 8 minutes is way too long.
A little grease pad, and that looks like perfect.
Yeah, that looks like perfect bacon.